using this survey. Mistake 1. They don't know the personalized questions to ask. Mistake 2. They don't ask specific, or they ask more questions to confuse their customers, like 10 to 20 questions. Mistake 3. They don't know how to use and where to get most of SurvAI into their product. So now just imagine you have an app which creates easy and personalized survey without guesswork, technical obstacles, or needing two websites. That's where they proudly presented this AI-based survey creator with 3 simple steps. And this is the screenshots of the product with various niche: gaming, crypto, travel, financial services, affiliate marketing, fitness and health, and much more. And also we can create 10 different types of questions, like multiple choices, short answers, and all this you're watching now. And moreover, we can have create survey from this product and sell to our customers or buyers with 100% profit. That sound interesting. And now let's get know how much this freelancers are charges simply for creating surveys. $5,000. Oh God. $650. And look at it. And finally, the big question is why product is perfect for digital marketers, coaches, website owners, entrepreneurs, work from home individuals, and more of. Better than most survey creating platforms like SurveyMonkey, SoGo Survey, Survet Gizmo. Here you can see what are the differences it can delivers. And more importantly, the price. Look at it, that's just one-time payment, and now you also get rewarded for your fast action for today. You get 3 bonuses absolutely free with this software. Bonus 1. How to make a 6 figures with surveys using this product. Bonus 2. Sales graphics rush. Bonus 3. Email survey funnel. And sounds interesting. And you can also get 100% risk-free purchases. If you are not satisfied with the purchase, you can avail a 100% money-back guarantee. If you have checked any of these boxes, you can be confident that SurvAI is perfect for you. Don't waste another moment. Now it's time for the big surprise for those of you who are preparing to purchase this product from Panda. Yes, you will receive a significant amount of premium content for free. The Gaia Originals series, Transcendence, is a worldwide hit that has forced a total reconsideration of human history. Its 2 sessions include all 10 episodes for free. To claim that free bonus is very simple as that, after purchasing this product, from the link listed below, in the description and, as well as in the first comment section of this video. Simply take a screenshot and send it to the Panda official Instagram mentioned below. Whatever product you have, without action, it becomes useless. Only action takers have achieved and conquered everything in this world. Are you one of those action takers, or are you simply procrastinating and returning to your boring lifestyle? We are waiting on the other side with all the benefits and premium bonuses for those who have promised themselves to change their lives by taking actions. I think all your doubts and questions are cleared. If you have any questions or doubts about this product, comment down below. Thank you. Keep safe. Bye until next time.